Hey guys, it's Drea. I have for you my update slash finale for Project Pan Forgotten Loves. This is a collab project that I have been doing with some other ladies for the last 2 months, trying to work on some products that are loved but not used enough. And this project was just to kind of show these products that we all love some love. And I have for you all my updates. I'm excited to share them with you. So before I get into that though, I will list the channels of all of the ladies collabing in this down below in the description bar. I definitely encourage you to go check them out if you're looking for new people to watch on YouTube. Just really great channels that have great content. We have Lauren May Beauty, we have LS, we have Alex from One Beauty Addict, we have Janet Cookie, and we have Cherish from Pretty Pistol 86. So it's always hard for me to remember all 5. Like, I can remember all 5, but to remember 5 people all at once is like, okay, am I getting everybody? I love each and every one of these women. They are amazing content creators on YouTube, so definitely go check them out. So we were all working on 5 products, and I am going to update you. Let's start with this. This is the L'Oreal Brow Stylist Definer. This was too dark for me, which is why I was not using it. So in order to use it up in this project, I was just using By the way, this is another after work video, so if I can't talk, now you know why. It's been like almost 12 hours. Not 12 hours of work, but 12 hours since I left the house and just came back and ate dinner. Anyway, I was using this on the outer half of my brow just because obviously, you know, darker on the outer, and then I was going lighter with a different product on the inner. So on my sheet here, I will show you just so you can have a visual of where we are. The top line there is where I started. So this has been going on for 2 months, so that was February. Middle line was last update in March, and now it is completely finished up in April. So this does not roll up any further. This can now be called an empty, and it's all used up, and I'm really happy about that progress. The next thing is my highlighter that I've been working on. This is the Physicians Formula Shimmer Strips All-in-One Custom Nude Palette for Face and Eyes in Natural Nude. How many times can I say it? Their names are ridiculous. I'll give you a little swatch because this is a really, really stunning highlighter. I love it. I would love, like, that's why it's in this project, because it's something I love, right? And I just wasn't using it enough. So at this point in time, this is what it looks like. So I really have not been touching the darker side of this. I've only been putting my brush in the lighter half. And my goal was to really wear down the bow kind of print in it. And I think I really did really well. One thing that I didn't even realize when I started doing this is that these, like, they're not quadrants, but these separate areas here, there's actually like a piece of, there's something in between them that's actually creating that separation. I don't know if it's a piece of metal or plastic, but there's something in between there. So like if I go to swatch this, I could feel that in between. So that part did not wear away, but that's not because I wasn't using it. It's just because it's impossible because there's something there. But the actual bows, the only bow you can really see is down in this white one here. And I was mostly putting my brush, you know, from about there down because, you know, I'm not that fair. Like, I'm not a fair person. I can't like make this too white on my face. So yeah, but I am happy with the progress that was made on that. I think I did pretty well. Speaking of really good progress, my Essence Single Shadow in Snowflake. This is what I'm wearing on the inner corners of my eyes today. By the way, I should say, I was woefully unprepared to film this. I received, you know, our Instagram group chat messages at my lunch today at work, and I was like, oh crap, I totally forgot. I needed to film a video about that. So sorry to all the girls for that, but this is my work makeup. Like, this is what I wore to work today, and I'm not wearing a lot of these products, so that's why it's not on my face. Like, the highlighter is not on my face, but that's in Single Shadow is on my face. It is my inner corner highlight because I pretty much wear this with almost every eyeshadow look now. Like, this is just my go-to for inner corner highlight, especially if a palette, like most palettes don't really have one that I love anyway, and I just love this. So when I started, there was a huge dent in this, but there was not yet any pan on it. And obviously, as you can see, there's a ton of pan. I mean, relatively speaking, for the size of a shiny white eyeshadow. There's a ton of pan on that, so I'm really happy with it. Now, I do love this product. I want to continue to use it, but it's really annoying to me that the packaging is completely broken. So I'm not sure if I'm going to keep this one and repurchase it or what I'm going to do. I know a few of you have said put elastic around it, but I can't be bothered. I can't. I need my stuff to be easier than that. So anyways, I might keep that. I might not. I might replace it, but I do love that eyeshadow. So next is this. This is from Laura Mercier. This is the Caviar Stick in Moonlight. I love this. Let me give you a swatch of it. It is, because again, I'm not wearing it. It's just the most beautiful, like, taupey. It's just taupe. It's just a really good example of taupe. Very metallic, as you can see. This is now, like, it's broken at the base, so I can definitely use it when I wind it up, but it will fall out if I roll it up all the way. So before I filmed this, I did just measure it for you guys. So it's in this middle column. Nope, it's in this middle column right here. The top one was where we started in February. The middle one is a March update, and then finale for April. So I would say that's pretty good progress, considering that I hadn't really touched this eyeshadow stick in months, even though, again, love it, but just wasn't using it. And are we at our very last product? I guess so. So this is the Colourpop, what, I can never remember, Lippie pencil. Yeah, because they have so many products, right? I always want to call this a Lippie Sticks, but that's not what it is. Lippie pencil. This is in the shade Frida. This was a limited edition color, which is part of the reason I wanted to, like, start using it more, because it's pretty old. You can't get it anymore. You know, just wanted to get some more use out of it in my collection. So here, here's where we are on the paper. April update right there. The top one again, where we started, the middle one last month. So that's 2 months worth of progress. That's actually a lot more than I thought I was gonna get. I was using this on its own sometimes. I was using it like underneath other things. I don't find myself using lip pencils as often as I used to, so I don't know that I'm gonna get a lot more use out of this after this project, like, because I was actually forcing myself to use it more because of this project, you know what I mean? So I don't really think I'm gonna get a ton more use out of it, but I'm glad that I did get some use out of it. So all in all, this was a super fun project. I don't really do a lot of like little project pans like this. I have my year-long one, and I don't think I've ever really done anything else like this. So I'm really happy that all these other ladies collabed with me to do this, because it was just something a little bit different, something a little out of my comfort zone. I hope you guys enjoyed the updates. It was nice having just a little kind of mini project pan going. So thanks again to all the ladies who collabed with me. Thank you to you guys for watching. I hope you're having a wonderful day. I hope that you're speaking kindly to yourself, especially when you look in the mirror. I love you guys. I will see you in my next video. Bye!